You will need to take out the screws from the front cover. Once we have those screws out, you'll be able to see the inside, and there's the inner filter. Let's disconnect the power and also disconnect the motor. As you'll see here in a moment, this step is not necessary.
Now this is where I can save you a little bit of time, because you see these two screws right here, the hidden ones, these guys, that's all that needed to come out. I didn't have to do all that other stuff, but I didn't know that because they were hidden.
Once we remove those hidden screws, now you'll be able to see the control board. So there's the lights for your timer and the speed that you see from the outside. And those are the buttons that you can press without having to use a remote. So this is the antenna for the Bluetooth, or I guess the IR for the remote. Just a little zip tie holding it on. Once you have your old circuit board out and put in your new one, you feed your antenna wire through, and I will say right here where those two holes are, go ahead and put you a zip tie in. I ended up having to take this out just to put a zip tie in there. I will suggest before putting the cover back on, test it out. As you can see, it didn't work, and that's why. So now it's going to be time to hang it from the ceiling, and as you see, you got some hardware here. We're going to take a couple quick measurements so we know where to drill the holes for the bolts that's going to go into the ceiling. So this particular one is 12 inches by 14 inches. And it came installed with those bolts. So we remove those and add them, or add the nut to that bolt. Twist them to your height. I just arbitrarily lined it up as even as I could get it. I mean, it's above my head, so I don't see it